Hello friends, today we will discuss with the topic ionization process and collision process in gas. So let us start with the topic ionization process and collision process in gas. How ionization will occur and what it will be help to the collision, so that we will see in this process. So let us start that ionization process. A gas in its normal state is almost a perfect insulator. Means when gas is in normal state, it acts as an insulator. However, when a high voltage is applied between two electrodes immersed in gaseous medium, the gas becomes a conductor and electrical breakdown occurs. So, when gas is in normal state, it is act as an insulator. When an electrode placed in that gaseous medium or that gas occur in a particular gas chamber, when voltage is applied across it, the breakdown of the ion, that gas ion will occur, and that is known as the ionization process. So further moving, the process that are primarily responsible for breakdown of gas are ionization by collision, means the collision of gas molecules will occur and that ionization will occur. Second one is photoionization and third one is the secondary ionization process. In insulating gases, the process of attachment also plays an important role. So, what is mean by exact ionization? The definition of exact ionization is the process of liberating an electron from gas molecule with the simultaneous production of positive ion. Means when collision occur, the process of liberating an electron, means from which we are getting electron, a gas molecule with simultaneous production of positive ion, means when the two molecules are collide with each other, it will provide a one electron and one positively charged ion. So in the process of ionization of collision, a free electron collides with neutral gas molecule and gives rise to new electron and positive ion, as we have discussed. So if we consider a low pressure gas column in which an electric field is applied across two electrode or two plane parallel electrodes, any electron starting at the cathode will be accelerated more and more between collisions with the other gas molecules during its travels towards the anode. So when we apply a voltage to the gas chamber, there will be an anode and cathode. Collision will occur and that particular electron and positively charged ion are displaced, or it will gives in the method. If the energy gained during this travel between collision exceeds the ionization potential, that ionization having some potential, so V, which is energy required to dislodge an electron from its atomic shell, then ionization takes place. So this process can be represented as electron plus one atom into, or it can be accelerated through epsilon Vi, which will gives one positively charged ion, one electron and one other two electron, means E minus. So this is the schematic diagram for the same. Here an HV source is provided the voltage to that particular gas chamber. This is current limiting resistor. This will be the ammeter used for the particular time or particular current measurement. Then this is the ultraviolet light through which we are bombarding of that light will be occur to provide the collision process, and after which the whole collision process will occur. This is the cathode and anode terminal which was separated by particular distance d. Hence a few of the electrons produced at the cathode by some external means, say by ultraviolet light, means some electrons are produced due to ultraviolet light falling on the cathode, ionized neutral gas particle producing positive ion, and additional electrons, one positively ion and one electron from that process we are getting. The additional electrons then themselves make ionizing collision and thus process repeats itself. So that process is going on, means collision is going on. Also the liberating of one positively charged ion and one negatively charged ion, that is electron, will happen in the case. This represents an increase in the electron current. Since the number of electrons reaching the anode per unit time is greater than those liberated at the cathode. So in addition, the positive ion also reach the cathode and bombardment of cathode give rise to secondary electron. So in that way, the collision process and ionization process will happen. Thank you.